COVID-19 pandemic hitting close to home for Waco ISD tonight as the principal of G.W. Carver Middle School tested positive for the virus. Fox 44's Kendall Green spoke with the district superintendent about what they know about the principal's recent diagnosis.
Hey, good evening, Adam. So far, the district isn't sharing many specifics about his current condition, but the district now is working to find out who Philip Perry may have come into contact with before he was diagnosed.
It really, I think, demonstrates the significance of the situation that we find ourselves in, and that it's likely that we may all know someone at some point who has COVID-19.
The news of the middle school principal's diagnosis comes just 10 days after Friday, March 20th. That's the day Perry was a part of a large group of Waco ISD staff members who prepared at-home learning kits for students.
Obviously, there was contact with other employees on that day, but our understanding from the CDC and health experts is that that contact has to be for prolonged periods of time.
And just last Monday, March 23rd, Perry was on campus when staff members were distributing those kits to students and parents as well. Waco ISD superintendent says he may have been present at one of the checkout tables, and that is a growing concern for parents. While it is unclear who Perry may have come in contact with, the district is working on getting a list together. People who could potentially find themselves on that list are people who have been near the principal for 15 minutes or more, or in a closed-off office space. The district says they've been talking with the health department, and they will share that information with any individuals who could be at risk. The question was asked what students and parents can do for Mr. Perry while he battles COVID-19. Dr. Kincanon's response was one that we've heard before.
I think that they can, for Mr. Perry, follow those guidelines. Wash their hands, stay at home, self-isolate if they're having any symptoms, and just pray for his well-being and for his recovery.
So far, the district hasn't been able to determine if Perry contracted the virus while traveling over spring break or if he contracted it here in Waco. Regardless, the district is hopeful for his speedy recovery.
We certainly are pulling for him, want him to get well soon, and just really thinking about him today, and hopeful that he will pull through.
Now we're working to find out how this positive COVID-19 case could potentially impact the district and its employees in the near future. We know of one way possibly so far. We'll have that at 9:30. Adam, back to you.